We're gonna start with the intro of this dance, which is 2 counts of 8, and we'll demonstrate before we break it down. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. So kicking off this dance, we're gonna start towards the back of the dance floor. If you are starting at the edge of the dance floor, you can wait a couple seconds when the music starts just to register the beat, and we're gonna walk in together. So we're coming in this modified shadow position. So both of our left hands should be in front of our leader's stomach. Right hand is going to be on your follower's left hip. So I'm keeping my hand on my hip as well, but followers, if you prefer to keep your hand out to the side, that is also perfectly fine, whatever is most comfortable. So like I said, that first count of 8, we're gonna go ahead and walk in. If you're already at the edge of the dance floor, you can hold for like the first 2 or 3 counts. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're gonna do a little peekaboo moment. So I'll break down the footwork of that really quickly. So leader, you're gonna take a step out with your right foot. Follower, you're gonna take a step over with the left foot, and we're just changing the weight. And you'll notice also that we're switching the hand position as well. So now the hand is behind the follower's back. And then we're gonna do the same thing and just flip back to where we were. So for my leader, you're shifting your weight over to the right and then to the left, your hands staying on your partner's hips. And followers, you're shifting over to the left and then the right, and my hands are switching my hips as well. From here, we're gonna take the left hand up and over the follower's head and draw 2 clockwise circles up and over to get into our 2-hand hold and ready for our pattern 1. So for my leader, your feet aren't really moving that much. You just wanna stay close to your partner. So as your partner's turning, if you need to take a little bit of a step over to your right, feel free to do that. For my follower, once you feel that hand initiate this spin, you're going left, right, left, right, left. And you can keep the weight off of that right foot because we're gonna need it in a second. So we're gonna do this from a different angle so you can see it, and then we'll go ahead and move on to pattern 1.